tint the lace, you'll need a glass bowl, some boiling hot water, vinegar or salt, either one works. You'll also need white fabric dye. I use the shade Camel, and a metal spoon, a napkin or a paper towel. In this video, I'll be showing you the right color consistency you're looking for. As you've seen, I just applied my first tablespoon of white dye to the boiling hot water in the glass, mix it around with the metal spoon, and add a bit of salt. I also went ahead and added a cup full of vinegar as well. Mix it around with the metal spoon. And as you guys can see, it looks a little blue, so I'm going to take my napkin and do a color test by dipping a portion of the paper towel into the color and applying it directly to my skin to see how well it matches, which obviously I'm not blue, so it doesn't match at all. So again, apply the boiling hot water to your glass bowl. This time, shake your right color before you use it. I used an entire capful. And as you guys can see, the color is brown, not blue, so make sure you shake your product before you use it. Then I added some salt and I mixed it together. You can use either salt or vinegar, you don't need both. As you guys can see, the color looks dark brown and it might be a little too dark for my complexion. So to test it, I used another piece of that paper towel and I held it against my skin, and it does look to be a little too dark for me. So let's try this one more time, starting off with the hot water. Shake the right color. This time I only used half a capful and some salt, and I mixed it together. This is more like the color I'm going for, so now I'm going back in with the napkin. I'm just going to test the color to make sure it matches my complexion perfectly. This is what it looks like against my skin. Now that I found the perfect shade, I'm just going to go ahead and take my lace frontal and place it directly in the bowl, making sure I don't get any of the dye on the roots. And if you do get the dye on the roots, it will change the color of the blonde to like a dirty green color. But if you're doing this on like a natural 1B brown, this would be perfect, just to dunk it directly in the bowl without having to worry about getting any of the tint on the hair. This is what the wig looks like after the lace has been tinted. I also wanted to show you an example of what a 1B lace frontal looks like after the lace has been tinted. This is a super easy method to help your lace look more realistic. I suggest you guys try it out if you haven't already, and let me know what you guys think down in the comment section below.